Morris Chang, the 91-year-old founder and former chairman of Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co, TSMC, made a backhanded compliment to Congresswoman Nancy Pelosi during her Taiwan visit last year. As the US tries to bring more silicon production to home with subsidies, Chang said, $50 billion, that's a good start. He did praise the US's new fab in Arizona, but questioned if the US had the talent and resources to keep it up to date. Taiwan responded with its own chip-style policies to keep development in the country. This policy allows chip companies to take 25% of R&D cost as tax credits and another 5% of yearly costs for purchasing equipment as credits. Intel had planned for a mega fab in Germany, with the European Chips Act providing $7.3 billion in funds. Intel apparently backed out of construction due to a difficult market situation. It remains to be seen if everyone can play nicely as the competition for global chip production heats up. Everyone is vying to create a stable electronics industry, and hopefully the US and Taiwan can cooperate to stay ahead of the game.